Tehillim 83. A Song. A Psalm by Asaph. Elohim, don't keep silent. Don't keep silent, and don't be still, Elohim. For behold, your enemies are stirred up. Those who hate you have lifted up their heads. They conspire with cunning against your people. They plot against your cherished ones. Come, they say, and let's destroy them as a nation, that the name of Yisrael may be remembered no more. For they have conspired together with one mind. They form an alliance against you. The tents of Edom and the Ishmaelites, Moab and the Hagrites, Gebal, Ammon and Amalek, Philistia with the inhabitants of Tzor. Assyria also is joined with them. They have helped the children of Lot, Selah. Do to them as you did to Midian, as to Sisera, as to Yavin at the river Kishon, who perished at Endor, who became as dung for the earth. Make their nobles like Oreb and Zeev, yes, all their princes like Zebah and Zalmunna, who said, "Let us take possession of Elohim's pasture lands." My Elohim, make them like tumbleweed, like chaff before the wind. As the fire that burns the forest, as the flame that sets the mountains on fire, so pursue them with your tempest, and terrify them with your storm. Fill their faces with confusion, that they may seek your name, Yahuwah. Let them be disappointed and dismayed forever. Yes, let them be confounded and perish, that they may know that you alone, whose name is Yahuwah, are Elyon over all the earth.